Welcome to WebClass.in. In this video, you're going to learn about the functionality provided by us for authorized partners and campus representatives. To access any of the feature, you have to log in first. If correctly inputted, you're shown the dashboard. In the dashboard, the first thing you see is the share discount code. This acts as both your ID as well as the coupon for you to give to the students. When used, it will give the students a discount and give you revenue. We also provide you with the transaction list that shows all the transactions that has happened between certain dates. When the submit button is pressed, a mail will be sent to your registered email address. Now, in your mailbox, you will receive an email from services@webclass.in with an Excel attachment which consists of the order ID, course name, student name, commission, and order time. We also provide you with the ability to see the students that have recently bought courses using your discount code. For more details, please contact us through our email services@webclass.in. Thank you for listening. This is WebClass.in, where diligence meets brilliance.